Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher, and in this session we are going to do exercises to help with back pain. Go ahead and grab your yoga wheel and let's get started. Place your feet a little bit more than hip width apart. We're going to place the wheel down. Bent knees are fine, but try to straighten them if you can. We're going to walk the yoga wheel forward and round over. Lean a little bit more if you'd like. And then come on up, walking it in. Flat back, make sure you're not hinging from your back, you're hinging from the hips instead. And then walk forward and round it down. Inhale, back to the center. And exhale, hinging from the hips and going forward. Inhale to the center, and this time we're going to take it on over to the right. So angle it first, and then walk it on over until you feel that stretch on the left side. Hold it here, take a deep inhale and exhale. Then walk it to the center, and then pick it up and angle it to the other direction, and come on over until you feel it on your right side. Really reach over this side. And then bring it back to the center. Bend the knees, come on up, and we're actually going to take it onto the ground now. So come on down, take your time getting in. Place your hands behind your back with it, hold it here, squeeze your core and lean on back, holding it to where it feels comfortable. Keep your core engaged the whole time, and open up the back. Then gently come on up as a crunch. And gently, very slowly lower back, opening up the back. And then back with a crunch. And one more time, lean back, nice and slow, and hold it here. Take a deep breath, in and out. Then squeeze your core, gently round up, make sure you're holding on with your core. We're gonna take the yoga wheel, bring it in front of you, take your time however you get there. And we're going to turn onto a tabletop kind of position. If you need something under your knees, you can put a towel there, that's fine. But we're going to roll up forward and sit it down and open up the shoulders to relieve that upper back tension there. Take a deep breath here, in and out. And gently come on up. And we're going to roll onto the other side. So hold it out, pick it up, and walk it on over to the left and sink down into it. You're going to get a little bit more deeper of the upper back where the shoulder area is stretch here versus you did when standing up. Inhale, come to the center. Switch over to the right. Over here, come on down. Gently come on back. Sit up tall. Great job. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed the session. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.